Hello everyone, in this video we're going through task 5, which are lists and dictionaries in Python. So we'll explore how to create a list, modify it, and then move on to dictionaries and how to store data on said dictionaries. So again, just putting some comments in so we can explain what we're doing. First we're going to create a variable called quarterly revenues, and then we'll assign it a list of full numbers. So putting brackets in. So the first number is 350,000. The next number is 400,000. Then after that, it's 380,000, and then 370,000. So these values are figures for 4 different quarters. Now we're going to use the print function to print the quarterly revenues. So this allows us to see the data before we make any changes. And then we're going to add a new value to the list. So, which is just appending the list, or appending the quarter 5 revenue. So quarterly revenues, again, just the same, but this time we're going to type dot append at the end, and the value is 360,000. So the append method just adds a new element to the end of the list. So now we're going to remove the first quarter's revenue. We're going to use the dot pop function. So pop removes an item at a specified place, basically. Now we're going to print the updated quarterly revenues. So at this point, the list no longer contains the first quarter, and it now includes the new 5th quarter at the end. So just printing that off. So now we're going to be doing the dictionary, the data dictionary. So for this example, we're going to be using exchange rates. So the 3 exchange rates we're going to be using are the USD, the Euro, and the Japanese yen. So the US dollar is 135, Euro is 115. These are just placeholder examples, obviously exchange rates change. Japanese yen is 150. And then for dictionaries, I believe we use those brackets. Yep. Forgot my curly brackets. So for dictionaries, you do need curly brackets. Now we're going to print the exchange rates off. So we're going to print the Euro. And then we're going to use our variable, which is exchange rates. We use square brackets. Put our EUR in. And we're going to run it, and there's an error. What is error? Revenues. Again, just spelling error. So there we go. That's the desired output. Thank you for watching.